अस्सलाम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल कैरियर इन आर्ट। सबसे पहले आपको मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना है। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करना है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ हाउ टू मेक अ सीडी मिक्स। People have been making song mixes since the technology was first available, uh, and even now CDs mixes are common part of culture. If you have never made a CD mix before, you may not know where to start, but the process will be easier than you think. One aspect is considering the point of the CD and choosing the song, and second aspect is the actual burning of the CD. By considering your audience, thinking about a theme and message, brainstorming and the track list, and digging into the songs, you can make the perfect CD mix. Then all that's left in using a program like Tunes or Windows Media Players to burn CD, and you will be also determines your audience. Make the mix CD with someone specific in mind, whether with this yourself, someone you like romantically, or just friend you want to share some music with. Having a clear idea of who the CD is meant for help you choose the song you want to persons who listen to this CD to enjoy it. So consider what they already like and include some of that. Additionally, you can take a chance and add songs that you think they will like based on what you know they like. The best mix CDs will have some kinds of overall themes that ties the songs together rather than being a completely random and disconnected set of songs. Common themes might be songs about love and songs for road and trips. But the theme could be starting a new school year, become friends, and inspiring music for workout. Having a theme in the mind helps establish the mood you hope the series achieves and give you some things to aim for in compiling the songs. You might have the theme of songs of the weekends in mind. But don't just add a bunch of songs that have weekend in the title. A theme is about opportunity of the song, tone, and content, not just titles that have words in common. Make the message clear. If you are making the CDs for a particular person or occasion, it should have a message that song all work together to send. The theme gives a general guideline of how the song should fit together, while the message is what you want to mix the actually say. The audience also plays a large part in crafting the message because you probably don't want a mix for your friend to send the same message as mix of the grandma. Brainstorm that track list before you start putting the song into a playlist. Uh, you should spend time thinking of what songs you want, browse them through your music collection, and start writing down songs that catch your eye with audience and theme in mind. If you consider Mm, some songs you have not heard in a long time, play those and see if they fit with their intent field. Don't worry about writing down more songs than you need, because you can allow narrow the list to every potential songs. There's a good chance that will you pick some song that you know are great, but you have not listed it in a while. It's good to listen to the song again just to refresh yourself and how do they go. Maybe there is a lengthy intro that is not right for this mix, or a word of profanity somewhere that you want to avoid. Listening to the song also help you see if it is really fits to the tone and message of CD that you are hoping to achieve. It is also good to read the lyrics while you listen to make sure you don't miss anything. You want to make sure these not are stray lyrics or something you usually don't notice you when listening. This someone also could pick up one. Examine lyric books online are noted includes on CD your own, or visit one of many lyrics website available online. एंड थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़। फर्दर अगर आपको कोई क्यूरी हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं। शेयर ब्लेस एंड कनेक्टेड विद अस। अल्लाह हाफिज़।